Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who are you all? I hope you are good and healthy. Allah bless you. Always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much, viewers, for watching my all videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this. I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Suddenly, you can see, friends, in this video we are providing you most trending and classical designs of Crochet designs. So viewers, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because in this video you will see stunning and unique crochet gloves designs. I hope you will love these beautiful designs. So these are very different and unique gloves designs and very beautiful. Unique handmade designs, beautiful textures, patterns, elegant appearance, personalized styles reflect individual taste. One suitable for colder weather, comfortable, breathable, soft yarns, durability, long-lasting resistance to wear, easy care, machine washable, dryable, suitable for various activities. Confidence boosted, unique handmade designs, self-experience reflect personal style, relaxations, gleaming, smoothing textures, connections, handmade, sentimental value. Proud of ownership, quality, handmade goals, natural fibers, breathable regulations of hand temperature, truth, improved circulation, compressions, free designs, reduce hand spotty, midnight full. Croatia promotes relaxations, types of Croatia gloves, fingerless gloves, full finger gloves, mittens, one palms, armbands, popular Croatia cities, single Croatia, half Croatia, triple Croatia, half double Croatia, and the cable stitch. Young chooses होता है cotton, wool, blend is cotton, natural fabrics, bobo and silk. Hand size, shape, personal style, preference, budget requirements, seasons, climate, colorful patterns, nature inspired motifs, geometric patterns, glossy texture designs, free people, urban outfit, medieval customizations, personalized fit designs, cost effective, affordable materials, creative personal style, relaxations, gleaming, smoothing, Croatia process, pride of ownership, handmade creations. Would you like to explore Spectris Croatia gloves, designs or benefits of your needs? So viewers, share this video with your family and friends who want these types of decoration and designs and ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. We were different people have different choices and they love different types of designs and ideas. So in this video you will see different themes and trending designs. Select your favorite designs and apply on your hand for outstanding looks. Thank you viewer for watching the video, especially for those people who searching these types of most trending designs. They will get new designs and new ideas related to your ideas designs. So viewers, if you are love these articles and if you want more types of designs and ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon from the new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you receive the notifications of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your prayers. See you soon, viewers. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel. Tata, bye bye.